This is a CX-0519. This is a 250-ton down-acting press. The press is guarded on 3 sides by bolted-on metal guarding. There's also 2 metal guards on the top where the pushback cylinders reside. The front of the press is protected by horizontal and vertical light curtains. We're going to demonstrate a manual mode here where we're coming down in manual. If the light curtains are broken, the press stops. Then he's going to go ahead and complete that movement down. We're going to let the press go up in manual, and we're going to show that the light curtain is not in the circuit in manual going up. Now we're going to demonstrate an auto cycle. In auto, the light curtains are in going down and going up. The press is set up so that you can hit the palm buttons. The light curtains become the primary safety. Press comes down. If the light curtains are broken, it stops. We'll do that, and then we'll complete the cycle. And I'll break the light curtains going up to show that it stops the press again. You have to hit the up button to resume the upward movement. Okay, we're going to just run an auto cycle with no interruption to show how it builds up the tonnage and decompresses. Go ahead. Operator pushes the buttons, can release them. The light curtain's in the circuit at that point. Press goes into slow speed when it gets on the slow limit switch. Presses at full tonnage. Once the timer times out, we'll go through a decompression. Press will return to the top position. Okay, there's decompression. Press returns to the up position. And that completes CX-0519.